The Shinkansen bullet train glided into Kyoto Station with a gentle hiss. I stepped onto the platform, feeling the city's unique blend of old and new. Even in this futuristic station, Kyoto's ancient heartbeat was unmistakable. I grabbed my backpack, my home for the next 3 days, and set out, excitement building. The adventure had begun. Navigating the bustling station, I found the subway and joined the quiet flow of commuters. Emerging from a tunnel, I glimpsed Kyoto's traditional wooden houses nestled among modern buildings. My hotel, a simple spot near Gion, was a quick check-in before I hit the streets again. The late afternoon sun cast dramatic shadows as I wandered, letting Kyoto reveal itself. Every corner offered something new, a tiny shrine, a shop of handmade paper, a woman in kimono gliding by. As dusk settled, lanterns glowed and the city's magic deepened. I found myself by the Kamo River, watching the water and city lights. Alone, I could soak it all in. No distractions, just peace and gratitude. My first hours in Kyoto were already unforgettable. The city had welcomed me quietly, promising endless wonders. I couldn't wait for what tomorrow would bring. My first full day began before sunrise, determined to see Kinkakuji, the Golden Pavilion, without crowds. The early bus ride revealed Kyoto waking up, shopkeepers sweeping, commuters starting their day. At the temple, the golden walls shimmered in the morning light, perfectly reflected in the pond. For a few minutes, it was just me, the temple, and birdsong. Go early. Kyoto's treasures feel personal at dawn. I wandered the gardens, soaking in the peace before tour buses arrived. Next, I visited Ryoanji's Zen Rock Garden, famous for its mysterious 15 stones, only 14 visible at once. Sitting on the veranda, I let the garden's quiet simplicity work its magic. In the evening, I explored Gion's back alleys, skipping the crowds for willow-lined canals and glowing lanterns. I dined in a small restaurant, savoring the atmosphere. As I left, I glimpsed a geiko, Kyoto's geisha, disappearing into a tea house. It was a fleeting, authentic moment. Kyoto's beauty is often found in its subtlety. Sometimes the best memories are the quietest ones. My day ended with a sense of wonder and gratitude. Day 2 began at Fushimi Inari Shrine, aiming to walk through its thousands of red torii gates before the crowds. The early morning light filtered through the gates, casting magical patterns on the path. Climbing higher, I found myself alone with the forest and shrines, a true solo adventure. Reaching the summit, Kyoto spread out below me, a reward for the climb. Descending as crowds arrived, I felt I'd completed a secret pilgrimage. In the afternoon, I visited Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, quickly escaping the crowds on a side trail. Surrounded by towering bamboo, I listened to their gentle music in the wind. Nearby, I discovered Okochi Sanso Villa, stunning gardens and panoramic views for a small fee, plus matcha tea. Wandering the villa's paths, I found peace and beauty at every turn. My day ended in a tea house, sipping matcha and reflecting. Kyoto's natural wonders felt even more special alone. Each moment was mine to savor. The city's quiet romance lingered as the sun set. My final day began with a slow stroll along the Philosopher's Path, a peaceful canal lined with greenery. I wandered without a plan, drawn into hidden temples like Hononin, where mossy gates and quiet gardens awaited. These detours are the joy of solo travel, discovering places off the beaten path. For lunch, I dove into Nishiki Market, sampling grilled squid, rice crackers, and sweet dango from bustling stalls. Eating solo, I could try anything that caught my eye. The afternoon was for wandering, a quiet lane in Gion, a small park, last-minute souvenirs. My final evening, I bought a bento and sat by the Kamo River, watching the city shift from day to night. The simple pleasure of a riverside meal was the perfect send-off. Kyoto's spirit lingered in every quiet moment. My journey was ending, but the memories felt timeless. I was content, grateful, and changed. Getting around Kyoto is easy, even without Japanese. The city's subways and buses are efficient. Grab an IC card for seamless travel. Subways cover long distances. Buses reach the temples. Maps and English signs make navigation simple. Walking is the best way to discover Kyoto's hidden gems. Wear comfortable shoes. Biking is another great option, with flat areas and dedicated lanes. Kyoto is safe, day or night, making it ideal for solo travelers. Locals are polite and often help if you look lost. Learn a few basic phrases. Arigato and sumimasen go a long way. Respectful curiosity opens doors to the city's true magic. Eating solo in Kyoto is a delight. Counter seating is everywhere. Watch chefs prepare ramen or sushi right in front of you. Don't hesitate, just hold up one finger for a table for one. Tempura bars, noodle shops, and casual eateries welcome solo diners. Order from vending machines for quick, delicious meals. Explore department store food halls, assemble a picnic, or grab a bento for the river. Kyoto's sweets are a must: matcha ice cream lattes and wagashi. Tea houses offer peaceful breaks with green tea and treats. Dining alone lets you savor every bite and moment. Food in Kyoto is as much about experience as taste. As my 3 days ended, I waited for the Shinkansen, feeling a gentle melancholy. Kyoto is more than temples and gardens. It's a feeling. Solo travel here meant true immersion, lingering in gardens, wandering alleys, changing plans on a whim. The city became my companion, offering space for reflection and discovery. I found romance in solitude, a riverside walk, a hidden temple, a quiet cup of tea. Kyoto showed me you don't need company to find beauty and connection. The memories, golden pavilions, red gates, bamboo groves, became part of my story. For any traveler seeking soul, Kyoto is unmatched. Go alone, get lost, listen to its quiet whispers. You'll leave with more than photos. You'll carry a piece of its timeless magic. Kyoto's spirit stays with you long after you leave.